So today we're going to replace the ink cartridge on Canon MG 3620. And first we need the brand new ink. And in this case, my color one was running low. So all you have to do is pull this down here and just wait for that to return to its original place. And then, so this is the black ink and this is the color. So we need to replace the color. Push this down and this up a little, and boom, comes out. Now we gotta get the new one. And don't forget to remove the seal here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. And we're gonna bring it in like so. Push it in and then push the lock up again. And boom. And that should be it. And again, you just close this back up and let the printer run its course.